What's up, guys? I'm back with a quick update video here. So I did the gears on the 10 bolt today. Finally, I got them pretty close to all right. They're not perfect by no means. I mean, I didn't measure the backlash or nothing, but it seems to be pretty good. So we're just in there waiting on the pinion brake for this thing, then put the axles in and all that, put it under the car, and we can go do some special stuff with it. Hopefully the rear end holds together. I was looking, I'm pretty sure both these axles are bent, but it's whatever. If they work, they work. That's all that matters. It's just they're probably gonna break anyways. But yeah, that's mainly what's been going on. So talked to my engine guy recently, and he's I think my stroker's gonna be done late next week. Should be done, and then we'll bring it to the house and start working on it. I'll probably make a couple videos here and there talking about it and showing you guys some things on it. It'll have 13-to-1 compression, Dart 230, Dart Iron Eagle 230s or 235s or whatever. 13-to-1 compression, dome pistons. I think they're forged I-beam rods. I don't remember the brand. For break-in, I'll have my Brawler 850 on it, but I'm going to get a Brawler 750 race carb, so it won't have the choke on it. Mechanical secondaries, and then I'll bring this hunk of iron up over there and start welding on it some more and get ready for that engine. And yeah, I think that's all that we've really done. Update on that pickup, that square body that we put the engine in, got it running. We've been driving it around, check cows here and there and doing stuff, and it's been working pretty good for us. I don't know what my brother's plans are for it yet. Might still part it out, might not, don't know. Might sell whole if we get a title for it, but we'll see. So I don't know if I'm gonna do any more work on this stuff this weekend, but if I do, I'll probably make another update video tomorrow, maybe next week, I don't know yet. But yeah, that'll probably be it. It's just a quick little update. So please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see more of. Thanks.